Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Jahangir Abbas. Today we are discussing about bonding in electron deficient compounds. Firstly, we will discuss about bond. What is a bond? Bond is a force of attraction between atoms. It is a force of attraction that holds two atoms together. There are different types of bonds commonly covalent bond, hydrogen bond. In the same way, metallic bond, van der Waals interaction. These are different types of bonds. These are formed. But today we will discuss about electron deficient compounds and bonding in electron deficient compounds. What are electron deficient compounds? The compounds in which central atom is electron deficient. Simply, we may say that these are the compounds which have deficiency of electron. In these compounds, central atom either does not have 8 electron in valence shell, or which have 8 electron in valence shell, but these can expand their octet. There may be more than 8 electron due to presence of vacant d orbital. These are known as electron deficient compounds. Such compounds which have either incomplete octet or they may have complete octet, but they may expand their octet due to presence of vacant d orbital. These are known as electron deficient compounds. Like BF3, in BF3 we may say that there are 3 electrons in valence shell. Valence shell is second shell. 2 electrons are present in 2s subshell and 1 electron is present in 2p subshell. In excited state, 1 electron goes to 2p orbital. We may say that there are 3 electrons that are unpaired in valence shell in excited state. When it forms bond with fluorine atom, then total electrons in valence shell of boron atom, these are 6. Total number of electron 6 electron. It has incomplete octet. So we may say that boron has 6 electron, the central atom has 6 electron, and BF3 boron trifluoride is considered as electron deficient compounds. Now we discuss about bonding in electron deficient compound. There may be 3 types of bonds. These we are discussing about these bonds. These are banana bond, bridge bonding, that is also known as dative bond, and back bonding. Now we will discuss about these 3 types of bonding in electron deficient compound. Firstly, we discuss about banana bonding. Banana bond is also known as 3-centered 2 electron bond. We will discuss it with the help of examples like diboron, trimethyl aluminum. Now we discuss the structure of diboron. Actually, it is a dimer of BH3, 2 molecules of BH3. These exist in the form of dimer. When we see boron has 3 electrons in valence shell, these 3 electrons in BH3, 2 electrons are shared with 2 hydrogen atoms. These form pure covalent bond. In the same way, in second BH3 molecule, 2 electrons of boron, these form bond with hydrogen atom. These are simple covalent bond. Now we will discuss about third bond. There is one p orbital of boron that is partially filled, other p orbital of boron that is empty orbital, and s orbital of hydrogen. These three orbitals overlap together to form a bond. In the same way, empty p orbital of this boron and partially filled orbital of this boron atom and s orbital of hydrogen atom, these overlap to form banana bond. Two banana bonds are formed between two boron. This is also known as 3-center 2 electron. Now we may say that there are totally 2 electrons in this bond. 2 electrons. But centers, there are 3 centers. One boron, other hydrogen, other boron. Its shape is like banana, so these are known as banana bond. Banana bond is also called 3-center 2 electron bond because there are 2 electrons but 3 nuclei of atoms are taking part in this bond. We have already discussed that 2 covalent bond. These are 2 covalent bond. These are normal covalent bond. These are 2-center 2 electron bond. Boron and hydrogen. There is 2 electron and 2 center. But this is banana bond. This is 3-center 2 electron bond because there are 3 centers, boron, hydrogen and boron. And totally 2 electrons are taking part. This type of bonding is known as banana bonding.